I'm winning. We're winning. Ay, akala ko may enemy eh. No? Hala. Akala ko may enemy. Wala na bang enemy? O kami lang dito.
Kahit lagpas ka na sa kalendaryo, marami ka pang gustong gawin sa buhay. Pero hindi na naman mag-Airbrand Agro Plus na. Doble din ang katawan at resistensya nutrients na tama sa katawan tulong para tuloy ang tibay. Airbrand Agro Plus.
Bam! Bam! Bam, bam! Bim! Bim! Bam! Boom! Bam! Bam! Just so fast. Bam!
Oh, double kill.
Bam! Oh, I even cut his torso.
Akala mo?
Let's go.
Ba't wala ako? Kasali ba ako?
Wow! There's
Hindi mo ako makita, ha?
There's
Hindi
new
ako makita.
swords.
Yeah, oh my.
Swords.
There's
There's new swords. Oh my god,
Hindi
going
ako
slap,
alam
slap.
nandito.
Oh! He's rainbow! He's even rainbow. Bro, what happened to? Because look, there's new things. Bing!
Bangga mo! Pasa mo! Bangga! Bangga! Bangga!
Good stuff.
MVP mo.
Oh!
Ako ba to?
What's that? Oh my god! Bro.
Ay, ako si Rocket.
Whoa! It's so going! Oh my god. Let's see. Oh! Actually, go. Going to like this. Oh, that's cool! Bim, bam, boom. Bim. He's so cool. Bim. Bam! What? Okay. Bring it. Oh no. Bam! Bro, he even died. Bam! If your little sky in the way. But the Sigma Worthy.
Hindi na umayos yung lagayan natin ng antay.
Oh my god, he's now dead. Bam! Bam! Boom! Bim! Bam! Boom! Bam! Bim! Bam! Boom! Let's go! Into a Jolly!
Hindi na umayos. Kakainis.
Taiwan.
Ang banat nahulog ka dyan. Suot ang banat.
Bang! Oh! Let's see. If we put a lot Let's see if it's going to.
Oh, you found me.
If it's going to make it cool. Him. Oh my god! Oh my god! The Maxium. Oh my god. That really hurts. Oh no, oh no. Okay na.
Ayon sa City Health Office sa Caloocan, kada araw, umaabot na sa 220 ang nagpapakulo sa kanilang animal bite and control center sa lungsod. Pero di lahat ang agad na mapakunahan.
Ooh, is that a glitch? Ooh. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Sa ngayon kasi, ayon sa Caloocan Office, nasa alarming level na raw ang kanilang supply.
Bam.
Posible sa isang buwan.
Lago-lago. Bam, bam, bam.
Kasi paubos na yung aming mga stock, no? Pero may nakaumong naman kami na request kasi binibid pa yan people reading, may request na kami, may request na kami ng DSP around delivery ng vaccine.
Pagtitiyak naman nila, makakakompleto ng dose yung mga nasimulan ng mabakunahan.
Meron ng nakatabi na para doon sa particular para makamadasig niya.
And let's go. Steam.
Pagsabi ng mga sa San Lazaro Hospital,
Bing, bam, bing, bam, bing, bing, bam, bing, bing. Bro.
dun sumuli ng pagod sa
Bing, bing, bam, bing.
nakalap nila.
Bro, how is he even still alive? Bing, bam, bing, bam, bing. Bam, bing. No, he's still alive. Bing, bam. Bam, bing, bam. Bing, bam. Bam. Bim, Durgaya. Bim, bam, bim, bam. Bim, bam, bim. Bam, bam, bim, bam. Bam, bim, bam, bim, bam, bim, bam, bim. Bam.
Usual ng mga pasyente na nakikita sir, yung normal na araw sa around 800.
So, yung little guy, bim, bam, bim, bim, bam, bim. Bim, bim, bam. Woo! Bim, 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 bim. Bim, bam, bim, bam, bim, bam, bim, bim, bim. Bim, bam, 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 bim, 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 bim. Bim, bam. Yeah. Oh! Bim, bam. Okay, wait. Okay. Now, go. Go.
Para sa GMA Integrated News,
Then,
Oscar Oide nakatutok.
and let's go get a pistol. Pistol 1. Go. Now, boom, boom, boom. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Bye, bye, bye. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Bim, bam, boom. Bro, bim, bam, boom. Bim, bam.
Walang pamilya ang apektado ng matinding pagbaha. Sa mga naman ng
Bam.
bataan at karadusan,
Bim.
parang naglalagay sa
Bim, bam, boom. Bim, bam, boom. Bim, boom, bam, boom. Bam, boom.
kaya tayo ang pagpapalitan ng tulis.
Boom. Boom, boom, bam, boom, bam. Boom, 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 boom. Bro, you're all being bam. Bim, bam, bim, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Boom. Boom. Bim. Boom. Boom, bam. Boom, 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 bam, boom, bam. Boom, bam, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. He goes boom. He goes boom. Oh, that's a balance. Oh, boom. even want. Get everything? No. Bye. Bam, bam, bam. Now let's go. First one. Second one. Lang. Banyum. Boom. In his nose. Yum. Need that one. Need these now.
Terminated naman si Melandro Espinelli, presidential advisor for special concerns.
If you are asking for blood, there will still be blood. But you know, we are still undertaking continuing performance evaluations even of those undersecretaries or those lower than the
Boom.
cabinet rank functionaries. I assure you that this is a very sweeping and thorough evaluation being made by the President and the panel of his choice regarding those who will be continuing remaining in office and those who will be ultimately ousted.
Mananatili naman sa pwesto ng pinuno ng mga departamento. Kabilang sila Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chulo Real, Agrarian Reform Secretary Conrado Estrella, at Education Secretary Sani Angara. Ngayon din sila Labor Secretary Benvenido Ledesma, Social Welfare Development Secretary Rex Gatchagla, at Health Secretary Daniel Bosa. Pati na sila Migrant Worker Secretary Hans Leo Wagda, Science and Technology Secretary Renato Solidum, Tourism Secretary Maria Cristina Frasco. Lusot din sila Information and Communication Secretary Henry Aguda, Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon, at Public Works and Highway Secretary Manuel Bonoan. Mananatili din Chief Presidential Legal Counsel si Walter Serville.
Bro, let's see them.
Ang courtesy resignations ng ilang mga opisyal.
Boom, boom, bam, boom, bam, bam.
Including my
So
son,
did it say them?
expected to
Only, okay, that's all this.
attention to the mandates and to
Bim.
give
Bam.
more performance.
Banyum.
Itinalaga naman bilang bagong chairperson ng Security Selection Commission, Secretary Francis Edralin Lee, kapalit ni Emilio Aquino, na matatapos ang termino sa June 5.
Oh.
Para sa ito,
Not dead. It's not dead yet.
magandang gabi mga kapuso. Ako ang Kuya Gino,
Damn.
sa Bilang Trivia sa likod ng mga trending na balita. May nadiskubre ka makailan sa kalawakan na isang galaxy na may tutulad daw sa ating buong galaxy, ang Milky Way Galaxy. Posibleng kaya magkaroon ng buhay dito.
Oh, that was a shot. It was a good shot.
Ang Milky Way,
Now,
isang spiral galaxy sa kalawakan.
okay. Banyum. Oh, I need pututoy.
Solar system.
Oh,
Saan ka matutira?
boom. No. No. Bam. Bam. Oh, he died. Boom. Oh. So, now, chill, bro. No, it's not dead yet. Come on, Jen. Jen. You can see him. Now. Oh, still alive? Okay.
Ang discovery sa naturang galaxy.
Wow. Boom, bam, boom, bang. Wow. Bro, he's still alive. Damn! On his legs? Boom. Wow, he's even... Bim bam boom bam bim bam bim bam boom bim bam boom. No, I shouldn't do that. He's... Oh. Who even didn't die? Let's go. Bam. Okay. Na-restart ko.
Nagpapasalamat si CJ sa suporta ng mga kababayan at sinasabing proud siya to be a Pinoy.
Bye.
Next, ang
Ako
sa Filipino Olympian EJ Obiena. Kasunod